Yeah, I think early in my career,
Mm-hmm.
looking back, I don't think I really knew what I was doing other than kind of chasing prestige or the next shiny object.
Mm-hmm.
I think Paul Graham has a great essay about, um, he calls prestige a powerful magnet that warps even your beliefs about what you enjoy. And I think if I'm being truly honest, that really is something that was probably overpowering me the first 5 to 7 years of my career.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I think I got lucky getting into McKinsey and then MIT and never really paused to kind of reflect with like, what the heck am I actually doing with my career? What's the goal here?
Mm-hmm.
I think a downside to an MBA sometimes is that it almost muddies the water. You go from thinking you know what you're going to do to suddenly being exposed to 50 more cool ideas of jobs and professions and industries.